Hey everyone, check out the AgiiMan Electric Pressure Washer with 4,000 psi and 3.2 GPM for powerful cleaning. This machine easily tackles tough stains on cars, patios, driveways, and fences with high-pressure water flow. It features a safety lock and total stop system to save energy and protect the motor. The washer includes a 35-foot power cord and 20-foot hose for extended reach and convenience. You get 4 quick connect nozzles for different spray patterns, plus a 450 ml foam cannon for deep cleaning. Installation is simple. Just make sure to position the inlet fitting correctly to avoid water flow issues. This compact and efficient washer is perfect for all your outdoor cleaning needs. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.